what is the right specialization. You shouldn't be worried about the specialization at the moment. At the moment, think of college, think of course, try to understand where you want to choose. You want to do MBA or you want to do PGDM at the moment.
7% of the people have lost jobs because they are not good at soft skills. And 67% of the people saying they are only hiring based on the soft skills and technology. So that means we are talking about you being competent. अगर मेरे 10th 12th में 60 70 90% भी आ गए तो that is not a surety for you to get good jobs. You have to be really competent because the companies have a lot of choice. Okay, we don't have that. So if the company is coming for 5 selections and they can happily go and take a 0 selection if they feel that you are not job ready. So what is it that they're looking for in the candidate? आज की डेट में कंपनी आपके अंदर क्या देख रही है? Not just a degree. What they're looking at it is you as an individual.
You want to go into the job right now. You are not going to get any experience in the next 6 months. That you are not going to be utilizing later on. Okay? ये 6 months आपको जो है जॉब के जाने के लिए नहीं है, आपके टेम्परामेंट माइंड से इसको चेंज करने के लिए है. You have to condition your mind. Everything that we have been talking over here, none of the institution over here is going to take you across if you are not going to be having the mindset to be a manager 30 months later.
टेक्नोलॉजिकल एरा में रह रहे हैं. हम सबको आज अपने आप को उतना चेंज करना पड़ रहा है. आपको ही नहीं चेंज करना पड़ रहा है, हमें एज अ टीचर अपने आप को चेंज करना पड़ रहा है. हमारे जो पढ़ाने के तरीके थे उसमें टेक्नोलॉजी आ गई है. हमारे जो चेक करने का तरीका था उसमें टेक्नोलॉजी आ गई है. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस इज चेंजिंग एंड विल चेंज द वर्ल्ड इन फ्यूचर. सो यू हैव टू अडॉप्ट योरसेल्फ very quickly to these situations.
मुझे लगता है हम में से कोई भी why MBA का आंसर देगा आप कन्विंस हो पाओगे. That should be the question you should be asking yourself. Why you want to do MBA? And somebody has asked me, I don't remember. She said that, ma'am, if in 2 words, if you tell me why MBA, then what you would say? And I said money. She said, but ma'am, this is the answer we can't give to the faculties. I said, why not? If you can ask the universities about ROIs, then why can't you be honest about why you want to do your MBA?
First, you go through the core, you understand the functions of HR, right from acquisition of talents to, nurture the talents, give them training, right, compensations, benefits, taking care of the payrolls, all these things are the basic functions of HR. First, you should understand that, and then each one of these could be a course for you tomorrow. These are all niche areas of HR. You could be an expert in the payroll management, right? Somebody could be an expert in talent acquisitions. Somebody could be an expert in learning and development, right? So